Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ronalini and today I am going to show you how I created this glamorous makeup look. Here I have done glittery smoky eyes with a bold red lipstick. This same makeup look I have done on my sister's wedding and even I have wore the same lehenga on that day. If you are interested, keep on watching this video. First, I am going to start with prepping my skin. Here I am using Lotus Herbal White Glow Gel Cream with SPF 25. Taking a generous amount of cream and warming it up between my fingers and applying all over my face. It will keep my skin hydrated. Looking at my own video, I feel how rigorously I am doing it, but believe me guys, I am doing it very gently. Now I am using Pearl Illuminator makeup base from Swiss Beauty. Illuminator helps to really bring out the glow from inside out. You can also mix it with your foundation or you can also apply it above your foundation. I like to apply it before applying my foundation. For the foundation, here I am taking Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiation Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid. It's in the shade F5, dotting the foundation all over my face. This foundation contains hyaluronic acid which keeps my skin hydrated. Here I am using a beauty blender to blend in my foundation. Here I am using dabbing motion which helps the foundation to set smoothly and it also absorb any excess product. Here I am using LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Here I am applying it a very small amount of concealer under my eyes. I am taking the same beauty blender and blending in the concealer. I am also applying a little bit of concealer over my eyelids. Now I am taking Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. I am taking this light shade of concealer and applying it to highlight my face. Step helps to instantly brighten up the face. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light to set in my base. For contouring my face, here I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette. First, I am contouring my jawline. Once I take a product from the brush and apply it directly on my cheek, sometimes it's become patchy. So what I do is first I contour my jawline and then I don't take any product on the brush and just apply it on my cheeks. While contouring, we have to do upward stroke with the brush. These techniques make your face look slimmer and define your cheekbones. Now I am contouring my forehead. This will make my forehead look smaller and my face look slimmer. Again, here we have to do upward strokes and mix it with the hairline to get a natural look. Now I am taking a little bit of contouring product on my index finger and drawing a straight line on my nose. This will make my nose look slimmer and straight. Now I am blending it out with the help of a brush. For filling in my eyebrows, here I am using Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon in the shade Brown. First, I am outlining my eyebrows to get the arc shape. Now I am filling in the sparse areas. Now with the help of a spoolie, I am going to blend in all the product on my eyebrows. For my waterline, here I am using Sugar Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade 01 Black to Black. This is one of my favorite products. Once we apply it and give it a few seconds to set in, it will set like anything. It will not smudge, it will not move from its place. It's a jet black and a long wear kajal. Taking LA Girl Pro Artistic Eyeshadow Palette, and here I am taking this black shade from the palette and applying it on the corner of my eyes. I'll make a small V and pushing a little bit product inside my crease. Doing the same on my other eye. Now I am taking this small fluffy brush and blending in all the products so that no harsh lines are visible. Now I am taking this brown shade from the palette tapping off the excess and filling it on my crease line and blending it properly with the help of a fluffy brush. Now I am taking this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in the shade Light M Up and applying it on my eyelids. This product have very good color and shimmer payoff. The brush help us to just get the perfect cut and crease look. After applying one coat of the product, I wait for 5 seconds to let the product set in. Then I go for the second layer of the product. Now let it set for 5 seconds. Don't open the eyes immediately. Now I am taking this dark brown shade from the palette and I am going to apply it in between the black color and the golden color to give it a seamless transaction between these two contrasting colors. Now I am taking this pink color from the Makeup Revolution blush palette. I am wearing red lehenga. To get a hint of pink on my eyes, I am doing this step. You can also take any red color from any palette. For eyeliner, here I am taking Olivia liquid eyeliner. It's a waterproof eyeliner. First I am going to draw a slanting line at the corner of my eyes which is pointed towards my eyebrows, and then we'll draw the eyeliner from the starting of my eyes and we'll join it to the end of my eye. For the mascara, here I am using my favorite Essence I Love Extreme Curls and Volume Mascara. Starting from the center of my eyes, I am taking the mascara towards the end and I am doing a zigzag motion to create more volume. This gives the illusion of fuller, thicker and more voluminous lashes. For applying mascara on the lower eyelashes, I am using the tip of the brush. For the lip liner, here I am using LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Deep Red. For the lipstick, here I am using NYX Powder Puff in the shade Group Love. For the blush, here I am taking Makeup Revolution Roxy Blush Palette. I am taking this peachy color and applying it from apple of my cheeks to upward direction. This will make my face look more lifted. For the highlighter, here I am taking Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I am lifting my eyebrows and applying the highlighter on my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose and on my cheekbones. Highlighter brightens up the face and give a more dewy glowy look and makes the feature more prominent. Here I am done with my makeup. Now moving towards my hairstyle. First I am going to do a center partitioning. Now I am going to wear a Mang Tika and I will be securing it with hairpin. Now I am taking some portion of hairs from the front and I am going to do a back combing of that hairs and I will be making a puff out of the front hair, securing it with a bobby pin. I am leaving all the other hairs open and that's it. This is my makeup and hairstyle. I completed this look by wearing the necklace set, a bindi, and here is my final look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your family and friend. Take care and goodbye.